projects that we're finishing out the year with is this 2020 Tesla Model S. Customer dropped it off, it's brand new, it's the performance model, and we're actually putting a wide body prior designs kit on here that's gonna make it look super aggressive. So we're just wrapping up, guys, with putting the wide body kit on the Tesla Model S. This is a Prior Designs wide body kit. We've got everything fitted. The fitment's fantastic. We're just putting the last couple pieces on, getting ready to put some wheel spacers on, so the gap is just perfect for the wheels and tires. They sit flush with the edge.